In this short tutorial, we are going to use AutoDesk Graphic to create a new layer. We're going to create irregular shapes on that layer, and we're going to change the color that we use to fill those shapes. Let's open up Graphic as normal. We have an image here already. In the bottom right hand corner, you'll notice that there is a tiny add icon. This allows us to add a layer, and the layer will go on top of the existing layer. Simply double click and you can then edit the name of the layer. Notice this layer is still highlighted, so everything we create now will go onto this layer. Let's use the pen tool, and we're simply going to click and create a series of dots to form the irregular shape. The important thing is that when we finish this shape, we click back on the very first point in our shape to form a complete circuit, like this. Now press Enter or click on the select icon and you'll notice we now have a complete shape. We could put our mouse on this and move the whole shape in one go. With the shape selected, on the right hand side in the inspector window, simply click on the large color icon, and from the palette you can choose a color. We can now proceed and draw a second shape. Notice that on the right hand side the yellow ochre color is still selected, so any subsequent shapes that we make will also be filled with this yellow ochre color. And press Enter when you've finished. We're going to create a third shape now, and it is going to be filled yellow ochre, but we're going to change that once we've finished drawing the outline shape. Click on the original point, press Enter or select the arrow, and now clicking on the shape will reveal the color palette, and we can now choose an alternative color, and this will only apply to this particular shape because we've selected it. Maybe we have another shape and we want to use the same color. Here we've selected the second shape that we drew, and we're going to use the sucker, the pipette tool. Simply click on it once and move to the color that you want to use, and now the shape that we've selected adopts the color fill from the pipette tool. There must be an easier way of using the same colors over and over again instead of using the pipette tool to suck up from the color palette, or indeed from any part of a particular image. What we're going to do is we're going to select a color and we're going to add it to our favorite list of colors. So here, for example, we have this red, and we intend to use the red a lot. In the palette, click on the bottom right hand corner on the add icon. This will now go into the tray of our favorite colors, and we can have endless colors in our favorite tray. So if we like this particular blue, notice that it's colored at the top in the palette bar. Click on Add, so now we have two colors in our list of favorite colors. This can save a lot of time and ensures consistency when we're using colors in images. If there's a color that we've selected in our list of favorite colors and we don't want it, simply right click in your favorite palette and choose Remove Color.